The information presented in this episode is for educational and informational purposes only. Rules and policies may change. Please visit the official website of the featured evaluation company for the most current information before making any trading decisions. This is for educational purposes only. Always verify the latest rules and policies on the official website of the featured evaluation company.
Welcome to the Excel Trade Room Combine Series. I'm Samuel J. Strong III. Each episode highlights a futures evaluation company by reviewing its programs, rules, account options, payout information, and other important details. The research presented throughout this series is compiled by Tash to help you better understand each company's evaluation process before you decide which one may best fit your trading goals. Let's get started.
Purpose, don't follow the crowd. Sometimes you gotta move quiet and make heaven proud. I remember long nights praying for direction.
Hey all.
Hey, what's up, Tash?
What's up? We are starting our Combine series today.
Yeah. Y'all excited? Yeah.
Where is this at? Where is that?
It's here. It's now.
Combine series.
Go ahead.
Yes.
Give it to us. Gosh.
All right. So what we're going to be doing is it's going to be like over a series of weeks. We're going to be diving into one Combine company at a time. So each week we'll cover something a little different, more information on each Combine company. So it won't be like you'll learn everything in this one session. It's going to be over a course of weeks. So we're going to start off with Lucid Trading. And for Lucid, they have three different evaluation categories. They have Lucid Pro, the Lucid Flex, and the Lucid Direct. Across all three of these categories, they offer a 25K, a 50K, 100K, and a 150K. In regards to their pricing, they do a one-time fee structure, so there isn't a monthly subscription, and there is no activation fee for these accounts. So if you blow your account, you will have to reset your account. And so if you keep blowing your accounts, then costs can become significant as you keep resetting these accounts. Of course, we know that we don't ever buy accounts unless they're on sale. And with Lucid, a lot of times your first accounts with them can be up to 50% off, depending on the discount code that you have. And when they run specials, they can go up to, with this last case that they offered for their accounts, some people got 60% off, and there were even some that got up to 90% off on their account. So they can offer significant discounts when they run their specials. The profit targets for the Lucid Pro and the Lucid Flex are the same for these two categories of accounts. For 25K, it's $1,250. For 50K, it's $3,000. For 100K, it's $6,000. And for 150, it's $9,000. The Lucid Direct, of course, doesn't have a profit target because that is their direct to funded category. In terms of drawdown, Lucid uses an end of day drawdown, which is what we love to have as opposed to a trailing drawdown, because intraday losses don't immediately trigger you blowing your account. It doesn't really matter unless you reach the max drawdown or you're done trading for the day, and then your drawdown will settle for the end of the day. So in terms of drawdown, the Lucid Flex and the Lucid Pro have the same max drawdowns. For a 25K, it's $1,000. For a 50K, it's $2,000. For a 100K, it's $3,000, and for a 150, it's $4,500 in terms of the max drawdown on this account. Now, one of the main differences between the Lucid Flex and the Lucid Pro is that the Lucid Pro has a daily loss limit. On the Lucid Pro accounts, for 25K, there isn't one, but for the 50K, they have a $1,800 Nope, they just changed it. Hold on. Lucid Pro daily loss limit is 1,200 for a 50K, 1,800 for a 100K, and 2,700 for the 150 for the daily loss limit. So if you hit that, you'll be done for the day trading. But right now they are piloting on these pro accounts not having the daily loss limit, and this is only for a limited time, that they will not have the daily loss limit on the eval or the funded account after you pass. For the
Quick question, Tosh. Is that pro you saying?
the pro, right now they're piloting that,
Oh, okay.
not having that daily loss limit on those accounts. On the Lucid Direct, the max drawdowns are a little bit different. You get a little more room on the direct accounts, which is the direct to funded account. So for 25K, the max drawdown is 1,000. For 50, it's 2,000. For 100K, it's 3,500. And for 150, it's 5,000. These accounts also do have a daily loss limit on the Lucid Direct accounts. There's not one on the 25K, but on the 50K, it's 1,200. On the 100K, it's 2,100. And on the 150, it's 3,000. In terms of platforms that you can use with Lucid, they do have that CQG data feed. And with that, you can use NinjaTrader, Trade-of-8, or TradingView. And for the Rhythmic supported platforms, you could use MotorWave, Quantower, TradeC Sierra Chart, Jigsaw, Bookmap, ATAS, RTrader Pro, and Multicharts. Okay, so that's kind of the summary of the 3 different accounts. Just to summarize one more time, the biggest difference between the Pro, the Flex, and the Lucid Direct: the Pro account does not have a consistency rule, but it does have a daily loss limit. The Lucid Flex has a consistency rule, but no daily loss limit. And the Lucid Direct has no evaluation phase. It's direct to your funded account. You get immediate access to that PA. It's the fastest path to payouts but there is a daily loss limit. So as you're trying to figure out which one is best for you, you just got to figure out which one is going to work best with your own individual trading style, and choose the one that's going to fit best for your portfolio and for your trading needs. So that is the first part of our series. Next week, we'll dive into a little more information on drawdowns and things of that nature for all these accounts. But that wraps up the first week. Any questions on what we covered today?
Thank you, Tash.
No, but thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you.
Nah, I thought you were gonna start with I thought you were gonna start with funded family futures though.
No, I'll tell you, that might be the second one. We're starting with something that we're familiar with first. We're starting the series, so.
Thanks, Tash. That was good.
Appreciate it.
For the homework, man. Thank you for the homework.
Thanks,
man.
Tash.
Excellent, man. That's what it's about, man.
Thank you. That was really good.
You're
That's
welcome.
opportunity, yeah. Right, stay educated, man. That's what's up, man. Other than that, man,
Great
I'm good
job,
for the day.
Tash.
Thanks again. Okay, you finished, Miss Tina?
You know I ain't never seen.
Trust in the Lord, knowing every harvest comes from his reward. Eyes on the prize, don't quit now. God open the door, gotta walk it out. Stay locked in, stand your ground. Every setback was a setup. Look at